Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. We have been discussing the poem The Shed. Let us continue. This poem is written by Frank Flannan. The poet is playing the role of young boy in this poem. Firstly, let us know the theme of the poem. There is a shed in the poet's garden. The boy in this poem is having a shed in the garden. He is curious to find out what is inside that shed. The boy is very curious, means interested to know the things which are kept in the shed, right? He explores his feelings about that shed and what it possibly contains. He expresses his feelings about the things which are in the shed. And lastly, will he be able to go to the shed without being scared? Does he go to the shed without fear? Let us know the answer after reading this poem. Here we have the first stanza. Let us recite. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I will open that door one day. There is a dusty old window around at the side with three cracked panes of glass. I often think there is someone staring at me. Each time that I pass, I will peep through that window one day. Let us know the meaning of these two stanzas. The boy finds a shed at the bottom of his garden. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden. He says that there is a shed in his garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. That shed is not clean, it is dusty and full of spiders' webs. Spider's web is home of spider, that is an insect. I hope you are very familiar. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind, as it is very old and dusty, and it is having the old windows. Its hinges. Hinges is a metal bar used for door or window. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. If the rusty hinge or the rusty hinges, if they are not oiled regularly, what happens? They will be having sound, creaking sound. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When the door is pushed or opened at that time, it makes noise due to the rust. The hinges are rusty. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. While sleeping, the boy listens the cracking sound. That sudden sharp sound, he listens, right? I will open that door one day. He feels that he wants to open the door. He determines that he wants to open the door. Next one. There is a dusty old window around at the side. On the other side of the door, there is a dusty old window. There is a window at the side with three cracked panes of glass. Its glass is having the cracks. It is broken. Its panes. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. While crossing the shed, at that time the boy feels that someone is staring through that window. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. While passing through that road, while walking on the road, he feels that someone is peeping through that window. Peep means look. Stare means continuous look. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. Staring means what we say? The fixed gaze. The fixed look without blink of eyes, that is called staring. I will peep through that window one day. So he wants to know who is inside that shed, who is staring at him. To know that, he wanted to peep through that window. Peep means to look through. This is the meaning of this stanza. In the next session, let us continue the remaining stanzas. Recite this poem and note down the new words. Thank you. Have a nice day.